It's Heidi with Nest Pretty. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. This book is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And I am a closet coach. I help women to curate a wardrobe she loves. I can help you in your closet and your life. Now, have you ever pulled everything out of your closet and piled it high on your bed and realized that is your bed? You're gonna need that tonight. I've done that too. I wanna share with you a tool that I use every day that helps me to avoid that situation. Avoid that craziness. And it is called the edit. That is where you edit your clothing one day at a time, and you're ruthless about it. Because here is the thing, you have clothes hanging in your closet for a reason. And that closet is valuable real estate. So when you do the edit, you're just vetting your clothing every single day. Does it deserve to hang in my closet? Does it deserve to hang on my precious body? Those are two very valuable questions. But we will just talk about one question today just to get your brain thinking. So question number one for the edit is, what is working? So it's the end of the day. Perhaps you've been wearing your clothes all day long, and the question is, what worked? I want you to answer that question right now. So the reason you're asking yourself what worked is you're training yourself to look for the win, to celebrate yourself, to celebrate your choices, to be really proud of what you decided to wear today, how you decided to show up in the world, how you decided to represent yourself. So what worked? I'm just going to stop there, and I'm going to encourage you to answer that question. Leave me a comment below. What worked? The more we can celebrate ourselves, the more we get a little dopamine hit. And how fantastic is that? So for me today, I wore this adorable little dress. I'll just show you. It's so cute. It ties at the waist, which I love, and it has pockets, which I love. It is very, very comfortable. I love classic stripes. And I was neither hot nor cold all day. This necklace is a lot of fun. It's a piece of art. And my little shoes were great. So what worked for you? I'm going to leave you with that question, and I'm going to highly, highly, highly encourage you to at least pick one thing that you were thrilled about today. So after you honor your decision and you wear it, I hope that you are able to celebrate what you wore for good reasons. So I just want to leave that with you and encourage you to try this exercise every day, because things that are hanging in there, you have got to love them. You have to. Otherwise, what is the point? You should not settle for anything less than love. 2 syllables, love. My name is Heidi. I am a closet coach. I help women in their closets and their life. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I hope that you figure out what worked for you today. Bye.